Nang tatapos ang araw ng Sabat, nang nagbubukang liwayway ng unang araw ng Sanlinggo, ay nagsiparoon si Maria Magdalena at ang isa pang Maria upang tingnan ang libingan. At narito lumindol na malakas sapagkat bumaba mula sa langit ang isang anghel ng Panginoon. At napuroon at ginulong ang bato at nakaupo sa ibabaw nito. At ang kanyang anyo ay tulad sa kidlat. Ang kanyang pananamit ay maputing parang niebe. At sa takot sa kanya ay nagsipanginig ang mga bantay at naging tulad sa mga taong patay. At sumagot ang anghel at sinabi sa mga babae, "Huwag kayong mga takot, sapagkat nalalaman ko na inyong hinahanap si Jesus na ipinako sa krus. Siya'y wala rito, sapagkat siya'y nagbangon ayon sa sinabi niya. Magsiparito kayo, tinan ninyo ang dakong kinalagyan ng Panginoon. At nagsiyaon kayo madali at kanyang maalagad ay sabihin ninyo, siya'y nagbangon sa mga patay. At nato siya'y nangunguna sa iyo sa Galilea. Doon makita ninyo siya. Nato nasabi ko na sa inyo, go quickly and tell his disciple that he is risen. Jesus is risen from the dead. Behold, he is no longer dead. Joy to the world. Jesus is risen. Hallelujah!
Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
They're screaming, they're singing that you can be born again. They're screaming, they're singing, Christ is risen from the dead. The angels upon the crystals and he has risen, just as he said. Quickly now, go tell his disciples that Jesus Christ is no longer dead. Joy to the world, he has risen. Hallelujah, he's risen. Hallelujah, he's risen. Hallelujah, They're singing, they're singing that you can be healed right now. They're singing, they're singing, Christ he will be healed now. The angels, they all surround us and they are ministering Jesus' heart. Quickly now, reach out and receive it, for this could be your glorious heart. Joy to the world, he has risen. Hallelujah, he's risen. Hallelujah, he's risen. Hallelujah, hallelujah, they're singing that you can be born again. They're singing, Christ is risen from the dead. The angel upon the crystal said he has risen, just as he said. Quickly now, go tell his disciples that Jesus Christ is no